Here is the analysis for SRF. SRF has been moving into two different ranges. The swing low is at this level, which is 2058 around. The swing high is at the top, which is 2769. If you can see, the stock has been moving into this range, in and out of this range for quite some time. There was a head and shoulder pattern that you could have seen, but the head and shoulder pattern did not break the neckline, so it has formed a kind of horizontal pattern for a very long time now, and it is expected to be in this range for some time till it gets a breakout. Now what we see is there has been a continuous movement in this stock for quite some time. So what it means is, after the initial fall, the stock has been rising almost in a 45-degree angle, and this means that there is a chance of a slight correction before continuing its upward journey, because it is between two strong levels, and last day it did reach 1.82% gain. What we see here is the gain is likely to sustain for some time, because SRF has been doing well in financials over a quarter. The dividends have also been declared, so we hope to see good days. After slight correction, we hope to see SRF reaching the swing highs